Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Snapchat not send problem. Now to fix Snapchat not send problem, you need to simply follow the steps on in the video till the very end to find about it. So simply watch the video till the very end. So to fix the Snapchat not send problem, you need to simply install the Snapchat app on a device. So if you have already installed, that's good. If you have not, you need to simply go on the App Store and at the very bottom right you'll see the option of Snap search. Click on it and click on the search box at the very top and search Snapchat. So this is the Snapchat option. Now as you can see, I've already installed the app. If you have not, you'll see the option of get or cloud like icon. Click on it to install it on yours. So after that, you need to open Snapchat on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So let's say I click a snap and I send it to my friend. So let's say I'll send it to my friend. So currently it says it has been delivered, but if it is not being able to be delivered or it is not being sent, then you need to simply check your Wi-Fi or your mobile data status. Check if the Wi-Fi is running or not. If that helps, if after that opening Wi-Fi or opening data helps, then that's good. If not, you need to open settings. You need to clear the cache of Snapchat, and if that helps, that's good. If that's not helping, then you need to simply uninstall the app and reinstall the app on a device to fix the Snapchat not send problem. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.